Ndewono. Hello. Good evening, good night, good morning, good afternoon. Pick one depending on where you are and depending on when you are going to watch. How are we doing today? Are we back from work? Are we still going? Are we yet to go? It's just a quick one on the visit of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by his lawyers. See, the two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Time solves curiosity, time solves everything. But the thing be say, are we going to have patience till that time? And how quick is that time going to be? when I say well, I'll be like waiting again though. Well, I'll be like Abba Kyari, you go commit international crime. But that will not consign me. I hear say Arewa youth them. They threaten they threaten us. These people will not sabi anything. They threaten to shut Nigeria down if government hands embattled Abba Kyari to FBI. Ndiara Benile. Ndiara. This is empty threat. They still say FBI, United States of America, now Nigeria, where they fit do anyhow, where they like, and get away with it. Anyway, that was not my concern. The God of Biafra has disgraced that guy. I will find that video, I will find that live stream and play it on my channel. The live stream that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stated categorically that Abba Kyari will leave Southeast in shame and disgrace. People are underestimating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ndị Igbo sị na onye amụma na-adị ugwu n'ala nna ya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a great prophet. He stated it clearly. I will go and find that video and replay it. I will find it. That is what I will do tomorrow. And replay it. He stated that Abba Kyari will leave Southeast in disgrace and shame. And this time, not be only local shame where he live. They can't demote him. The shame don't reach everywhere. At this point, this guy will not be able to travel out. He go die for that in zoo where they protect. And the strength, I saw someone wrote on Facebook that he's a good man. He helped his father one time without collecting money. And I told him, look, this person that you are hailing, this person that you are praising, that helped your father without collecting a dime, it is his job. Go everywhere in the world. Go to in fact, all the police in the world, that is their job. They help people without collecting money. They help keep people safe. That he helped your father without collecting a dime, it is because you're a Nigerian and you like bribe and you can't live without bribe. That is why you find it fascinating that he helped your dad without money. That is not enough. That guy is not nice. Okay, what he did to Chibuzo was what they have been doing to innocent people, and no one has been talking. They will get away with it, and people will never get justice. Can you imagine? Zoological Republic. Okay, had it been that Chibuzo died in that custody, do you think that anybody will remember him? And they will even promote Abba Kyari on top. So I told the guy, stop making noise. What Abba Kyari did to your father was his job. He is being paid for it, and he is being promoted for it. That is, by the way, because I have foku Abba Kyari. Na Chineka bola daga yok. He has been receiving his reward. So there is no need studying law in Nigeria. There is no need. All those that wish to study law, There is no need for you. No, don't even bother. Because DSS is now the law. Since DSS have overtaken over judiciary in Nigeria, what is the essence of studying law? I bet my people, this is a very short one, as I said before. I hope you have read your Psalm 65 today. And that psalm, when I was reading it, reminded me of a song we sang when we were back home. The song said, Gikotito nederedu Jehovah n'ime Zion. Gikotito nederedu Jehovah n'ime Zion. Ọ bụkwa gị ka na-akwụ chi nkwa ekwere. Gị onye na-aza ekpere, gị ka anụ arụ niile bụ mmadụ na-abịakwute, na-abịakwute. Make you go read your Psalm 65 if you have not. After reading the whole psalm, God is going to fight our battles. God is already fighting our battles silently. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also stated that by the time he finished with the zoo, that the whole world will hate the zoo. And that word is coming to pass. Don't be small something. The whole world has already seen how Nigeria is operating. But I don't care. If na die, let them die. If na kolo, let them kolo. If na beme, let them beme. All we want is victory. If na die, let them die. If na kolo, let them kolo. If na beme, let them beme. All we want is victory. If the zoo wants, make them die, make them kolo, make them beme. No, we no consign us. All we want is victory at last. May them give us referendum. May we carry our hand by ourselves. Choose where we want to belong. I understand some people do not want to be with Biafra. That's totally understandable. With referendum, you can choose where you want to belong. Whether you want to belong in the Sambisa forest, that one na your concern. But for us, we won't go. Let them give us referendum peacefully. I be all this agitation where you see us they do, Understand? So, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, we'll go visit our leader. I'm so happy. I had a bit relief that Barrister was able to see our leader. But next time, a friend of mine called me that there is a good news, and it relieved me. It made me happy. But next time, make them take video. I know so it may not be possible, but next time he should make a voice note of them, so we'll be very, very sure that our leader is in very good hands. As I told you guys, this one is a short live video. You know too much like this. Hey, and my background they noisy. You are there for road. Though. Me, I'm here to remind us that we should continue to read our Bible. Or we should continue to pray. Even though they don't come calm us down a little bit, say nothing they happen. Make we no relent. Make we no go relax, fold our hands. Make we continue this with the same energy where we used start. The same energy that we started with, we should continue. As for those that are discouraging us, for those that do not like this struggle, they always want to talk down on this. They always want to talk negative about Biafra. That's okay. Out of every 12, there must be a Judas. But what they pay me be say as they find rich. See, if you see some of them, they find tall with beard gang. Yeah, so I get time. Now my free time be this. So you too, when they watch me, you get time too. So If they like, let them say all they want about Biafra. We'll be fine. So I will see you later. Thank you, guys. That person will say I get time. You too, man. You get time. If you not get time, wait till carry you come. No come here, come bully me with your words. I go fire you back. I go water you. I don't come over here.